In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a simple table in Microsoft Excel. So immediately we're going to open up this data. It's a monthly expenditure report. So and we have two rows here that are actually headings for to this data. So this first one should actually span the entire row of this particular data or columns, and then we have headings for each and every column. So in order to uh, do that, to span this to run across the entire column of this data, just select the first cell, that is B2, because that's where we have this text. As you click inside it, you can see it. We have the text inside the formula bar. So I'm going to click on it and then highlight the entire cells. Then click on merge and center. Now we have the first heading centered. The second thing, we need to resize the columns. Select the first one, press down shift, and then click on the last one. Then you place your cursor near any this line that divides or the border of these cells, then double click. Now we have our data like this. Now you can as well resize each and every individual columns as you wish. Now the second thing that we need to do, we can select or we can make these headings bold. Just select all of this, and then under the fonts click on bold, like that. Now we have our headings in bold form. And then the next thing we need to make this one, we can actually increase the font. Let me just make it 14, and then I can change the style, so that select on it and then go on the styles. I'm going to select heading 1, like that. And then we are going to add the color fill for these headings for each and every column. I'm going to select all of them, and then go to fonts and select fill color, and I'm going to choose dark blue, like that. Or you can as well go to more colors and choose whichever that you want that suits your purpose. So for this case, I'm going to select that one, like that. So now that we have this data like that, we want to do some calculations here. Let's say that I want to have this discount in percentage. So these are just figures. If you try to select the entire discount, percentage discount, and then you click on this percentage style, or if you right click, go to format cell and try to click on look for percentage and try to percentage right here and try to apply that, you can see the result that you are getting here is not what you are looking for. So in order to make this as the percentage, the actual percentage, you need to manually calculate that, and then so that you can apply that here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and then cut, paste it somewhere else, like on this column here, paste. And then I'm going to use this cell here to calculate the percentage, and we know for sure that percentage is equal to this figure here divided by the 100. So just write the formula equals to select that particular cell, and then you divide by 100, and you click enter, then drag down the entire cell to apply the formula. So we are going to select all of this, and right click and copy, then come back to our cell, right click and then paste values. Do not paste formulas, because if you do that and then you come here and delete that, you'll have some issues. So you what you do, you actually copy, and you copy these values and then you paste as values like that, so that when you delete all this, you're not going to have issues or run into problems. So now you can select your cells, and then up here on the number groups, click on this percentage style, and now you have your percentage or a discount in percentage. So that's our calculation number one that we've just completed. Now we have this total amount spent before the discount. Now we need another column here to calculate the actual amount spent. So we can add a heading there and say actual amount spent, and select that cell so that we can wrap that text, and we are going to select all this so that we can have our values middle aligned like that. And then if you want this to have, I want this to have the same color as this one here, so I can just select any of these. First of all, we want this to expand to this particular column here. Just select on it and then click on merge and center twice like that, and then we are going to select we want to copy this format, or then paste it here. So select this cell here, and on the clipboard click on the format painter and then click on that. So we have that. Now we have that one like that. So we can now calculate the actual amount that was spent on each and every grocery item that we bought. So we know that this is in percentage, this is amount spent. To calculate, actually this one should be a discount and not the actual amount. So this is, let's say that is discount like that. So for you to calculate discount, you that is discount percentage multiplied by amount spent. So write a formula equals to discount multiplied by amount spent like that, and then you drag that down. Now let's add another the last one here, and then we call it actual amount spent like that. So now this one you can also wrap the text so that it can fit in that cell. So we copy that format there, and we have our column right there. Now to get the actual amount, you calculate you subtract discount from the amount spent. So that is another formula, equal sign, then amount spent minus discount like that, and drag down. Now if you have noticed, this is, if you click on that and look at the number here, or right click, go to format cell, you can see that the category here is general. We want to convert that to currency. So discount is in currency, amount spent is currency. So we select all of this and then right click and go to format cell, and then we select currency. The symbol here, you can see as of now it is in Kenyan shillings, so I want to convert that to US dollar, and so it's here, English, United States. You select that and click OK. Now you can see the dollar symbol has been added in all of these values. So we can add another, the last one. We're going to add another row and call it total. Sorry, total, like that. And then this should be, select the entire row. This should be bold. So you're going to select up to this particular point and then merge and center. But for this this time round, we should not center. Let's have it left aligned, and then we want to calculate the total amount spent. So I click on this particular cell here where I want to add the total, and go to auto sum and click auto sum, and you hit enter. You have your totals here. You can also use a formula, equal sign, then you type in sum, then use highlight the entire column that you want to add. You hit enter. So you can also drag to copy the formulas. Now we can as well add fill color. This time round, let's choose that color, and then this one here, you can give it another fill color, like yes, this one is correct. And then you can have the discount with its own color also, like that. So we can select the entire table, and then right click, and then you go to this, or just on the font group, click on this borders and select all borders, like that. So now you have your table, a beautiful table. I think you should include all of this, so that we include this one here, merge and center, like that. So that's how you create a simple table in Excel. So I'll be creating another video for an advanced table creation in Excel.